hairstyle is so underrated, but the result is so beautiful, so perfect. Look at the edges. Hey love, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how I got this exactly on me, so keep watching to know how. Okay, this is the wig I'm going to be transforming into the beautiful hair you saw in the video I posted earlier. So first thing you have to do is actually detangle your hair. I cannot overemphasize on how to detangle the hair, because if you have a detangled hair, then you have a stress-free process to achieving the beautiful style you want to achieve. So you go in with a white tooth comb and begin to detangle from the tip and make your way to the top. I always say this because if you have knots on your hair, then you'll be frustrated and your whole working process is going to be so much and tiring. So make sure you start from the tip and make your way to the top. Okay, then when you're done going in with the white tooth comb, you go in with the detangling brush and begin to detangle the hair, the whole wig. Okay, make sure it's tangle free before you start to style your hair, because if you don't do that, you're going to be tired on working on your hair. So here I actually went in with little water. Do not apply too much. Why I went in with water is because when you have moisture in the hair, it helps to flatten and keep flyaways and help the whole straightening process smooth. You understand? And it helps to manage the hair and help you to just style it easier. That's the only reason. So do not use too much water. If not, you're going to be having frizzy and matted hair. It is synthetic hair, so you do not allow anything you're applying should not be too much. Okay, so when you're done, you're just going with a low straightener and begin to straighten your hair. Make sure you have your straightener regulated so you don't get to burn your hair and destroy the style you're trying to achieve. So make sure you just straighten your hair from the roots down to the tip. Okay, so you repeat this whole process to the whole wig. You repeat the process for the whole wig, so you have a beautiful style. And at the end of the day, you know we're achieving something different, because this is a wig I made in my last post. It's a French wig I made with braiding hair. So I'm going to be putting the video at the end of the video for you to see, so you see how to make your own wig yourself. So we're going to be turning this into a U-part wig, so make sure you watch to see the whole process so you don't miss a step. Okay, so when you're done straightening the hair, make sure you straighten everywhere and work in sections so you can have a lush and silky hair to rock. Okay, so I went ahead to straighten it. I actually took my time to straighten my hair, because when I want to slay, I really slay. So when you're done straightening, this is what your wig should look like, silky and straight. Oh yeah, so what you have to do next is to go in with your tape to measure 2 inches from the middle, because you're going to be working with this. Okay, so you pin down your tape with your pin or your office pin, whatever you have. So you just pin it down as so. Then when you do that, you're going to use your comb to measure, to have a clear part at the side for it to be able to cut, so you don't have hairs on your way while cutting. Make sure to have a straight line when you're doing that. So after doing that, you're just going with your scissors and begin to cut out the part that you have. You know, when you're having its center parting, like the hair you're supposed to be having, like the smaller piece of closure is actually a 2x4, so you're going to be measuring 2 inches. That's why I said 2 inches. Even when you're making the wig from the beginning, you're going to be making that in 2 inches. So since you already have that, this is what you should be looking like when you're done. So you're going to be facing your hair to the other side, like your cap should be facing up. Then you pin it down on your canvas head. So then when you're done, you're going to be clipping these clips to your hair. You're going to be securing them to the wig cap, I mean to say, because when you wear them, you wouldn't want your wig to fall off. Do you understand? That's going to be embarrassing. So you have to use this to secure the wig to your hair. So you go with your needle and thread and begin to secure these pins, these clips onto your wig cap. Just make sure you sew it firmly so you have a secured wig to wear on your head. Just make sure you sew it properly. Take your time to do that, because these clips are tricky to sew because of the pins, like the clips, the mouth side. So just take your time to do that, to sew all around. So this is what you have. So you have one in the middle of the closure and the 2 sides. So after doing that, you have to have your hair packed or weaved to be able to wear your wig. Some persons just go ahead to weave it normally, but I wanted to have that frontal effect like I talked about in the beginning of the video. So I kind of had to just take off small part of my hair, okay, small part of my hair, so that I can have to cover the sides of the wig, so that when I want to pack it back, it will be like a frontal. So this is a little trick I actually do. Okay, so when you want to do your clipping, you know, like when you weave your hair normal, you want to clip, you will clip it, and the hair is going to go down from the clip because the mouth of the clip is long. So I just kind of weave a little, like a very short line. That's going to be like a secured place for me to be able to secure my pin. Do you understand? That's the essence for me to weave that part. So you don't have to do that if you have a really strong, but I don't want my weaving to be very, very tight. That's what I did. So after then, you have to now weave the rest down like normal. This is how it should be. Okay, so this is when I'm done weaving my hair. So we have our wig. So we're going to be clipping this wig. Remember, you have your clip at the two front and at the middle of the back side. So this is what I was saying. So when you clip it on that weaving, it's not going to go down as when you're clipping on the mouth of the hair you've already weaved. Imagine you don't have that line. The clip is going to go down to where it's supposed to stay, but that single small line of weaving is going to have it secured. You see what I tried to do there? That's a little thing, because every little detail matters when you're wearing your wig to help you have a flat finish. Do you get? So you go ahead to pin the back as so. Then when you're done pinning, you're going to be styling your hair, of course. You're going to be styling your hair. So this is when I style my hair. This is the fun part. I always like styling because you have to look good. You have to style so you can look good and slay. Like, you know, we slay on a budget here. So we have to make it look like, you know, $1,000,000 when you slay your wigs. You understand? So I have to just open up the center of the hair, so we're able to style my hair. So make sure you have your center part clean. Your part should be clean. Do you understand? So when you do that, you're going to be straightening your hair. Do you understand? You're going to be straightening. So after cutting your hair, make sure to apply a heat protectant. Do not use a straightener on your hair just like that, please, so you don't have damage to your hair. You don't do damage to your hair, I mean to say. So apply heat protectant, but any heat protectant you have, you can get one from a local beauty shop. So you can apply on your hair, then you go in with your straightener and begin to straighten your hair. Like, make sure your hair comes out silk. Do not be worried about this steam coming out. It's because of the heat protector that I sprayed. That's why applied on the hair. That's why it's actually coming out. So make sure you have your natural hair slick, so it's going to lay smoothly. Anywhere you want to put it, make sure so it's going to stay smoothly on your wig, so they're not going to be able to detect which is your hair and which is not. Okay, this whole thing is actually better when you have same color with your hair and your wig. Do you understand? You can see that there's a slight difference between my hair color and the wig, but do not worry. Make sure you have it slick so that when you comb it, it's going to smooth in with the bundles you have. So make sure you go ahead to straighten your hair properly, like straighten it, straight, make it silky, like silk, press it, like press. I know I'm emphasizing on this because you need your hair to actually go in smooth into your bundles. Okay, so when you're done, you just have to comb and make sure, remember to straighten the front part of the hair too. Okay, my hair is thin, so I really did not really want it to look too thin. That's why I left it. So if you have a really thick hair, you can do that to have that silkiness, but hey, the front is still looking okay. So imagine you didn't leave the sides, you'd be having just the middle part, but now because I left the side, it's looking kind of like a frontal effect. So guys, I did final touches on my makeup. This is a hair close-up. The final result of this hair came out so beautiful. I really love this hairstyle and I was so happy. So let me know what you think of this hairstyle in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed at this point, please hit that subscribe button, comment in the comment section, share this video with your loved one. You're welcome to this family. So today I'm giving shout out to everyone in this channel because you guys are the real MVP. We are 4,000 stronger. I love you all. Thanks for the support. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.